Hello everyone, welcome to our demo. Thanks for joining us today. We did one of these yesterday. It was great to see the turnout. Nice to see everybody coming here again today. My name is Adam Kimmel. I'm a business development manager for Orbia, focusing on the Americas region. With me is Chuck Abbott, global marketing manager for Orbia. And we're doing today a retrofit of a 1234YF vehicle. So the vehicle is an Audi SQ8 e-tron, which is a gorgeous machine. Fit with 1234YF, and we're going to retrofit it with 444A freeze YF refrigerant from Johnson's. So we're excited to do the retrofit process for you. So the YF has been evacuated already used in the machine. So then after the existing refrigerant is removed, then the fittings have to be adapted for the new refrigerant. So to prevent this mixing that we talked about, these fitting adapters are going to go over top of the low side and high side ports. They use the existing ports, and the fittings just slip right over the adapter, the fitting ports, to adapt it for the new refrigerant. The way it works is that there's, a plastic piece that snaps over the fitting, and then this lock ring snaps down into place. So snap it on and put the lock ring down, and then it's ready. The other thing to note is the label. So the EPA also wants to make sure that any car that's been retrofit, it's clear what the refrigerant is in the vehicle. So the only change that they need to make is to put the refrigerant name on the existing label. So right now, Chuck is adapting the couplers that attach to the fitting to upfit for 444A. So he's getting the fittings ready. He's going to use the same machine to do that. And then once the fittings are ready, he can connect the hoses and then charge with 444A. So right now the machine is pulling a vacuum down to a suitable level before charging 444A. So then once the refrigerant's charged back in via the machine, you disconnect the ports, put the caps on, and the vehicle's ready to go. So I mean, this has been a roughly 20 to 30 minute process, and then it's the vehicle's upfit for 444A.